In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark all as read in Yahoo Mail. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Yahoo Mail. On the results page, select the official Yahoo Mail link to go to the sign-in screen. Sign in with your usual credentials and complete any verification prompts if they appear. Once you're in, you'll land in your inbox. In the new Yahoo Mail view, look toward the top left area of the screen. You'll see the Compose button, and directly above your list of emails there's a small checkbox. Click that checkbox to select all messages that are currently visible on the page. Depending on your settings, that may be a portion of your inbox rather than everything you have. If you have more emails than can fit on one page, Yahoo will show a prompt just above the message list that reads something like, "Select all conversations in inbox." This is important because the first checkbox only grabs the messages you can see. Click that link to expand the selection to every conversation in your inbox, including those on pages you can't currently see. This ensures you don't leave older messages behind. With everything selected, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the inbox. Find the More icon, which appears as 3 dots. Click it to open a small menu, then choose Mark as read. Yahoo will process the action for all selected conversations. If you have a large inbox, give it a moment. You might see a brief loading indicator while it updates the read status across all messages. You'll often see an undo notification at the bottom of the screen right after you mark everything as read. If you clicked the option by mistake, use that undo prompt right away to revert the change. If the 3-dot More icon isn't immediately visible because your window is narrow, try expanding your browser or looking for overflow icons in the same toolbar area. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Mark as read applies to the folder you're currently viewing, so make sure you're in the inbox before you begin. If you want to do this in a different folder later, switch to that folder first and repeat the same selection and mark as read steps. Also, marking messages as read won't delete them. It simply removes the bold, unread styling. So your emails will remain available for search and review. And that's it. You've selected all your emails and marked them as read in just a few clicks, clearing the clutter and giving yourself a clean slate.